Hey YouTube, what's up? Close this sunroof so you guys will be able to hear me better. I'm about to do a little POV driving. Hopefully you guys can hear the car. I put you right next to the window. I finally got a cheap window mount. It's like $12. So it works well, and hopefully you guys can hear me. Or I mean hear the car. So I'll do a little POV driving. And just have some fun. It's a beautiful sunny day out, so I'll do a little done. Maybe I'll do a little pull so you guys can hear it. I have to wait till I get on the right road though. Make sure there's, not a lot of traffic and shit. Hope you guys can hear that little idle down when I'm slowing down the car. That shit sounds amazing. There's a little pool for you guys. Just did it through the mall parking lot. So hopefully that sounded amazing to you guys. I think it sounds great. Sometimes that should be sounding like it's a little turboed, but it's not turboed. It's just that V6 engine, man. It sounds amazing. But I'll start making more videos. Hopefully you guys like this. And I like doing it too. I did it with the Cobalt the one time, but I didn't have a window mount, so this window mount's a lot better than that. And plus, I hate having my phone down in case I want to change a song quick. Like I gotta be looking down or something, and I don't like that. I can just go right here and do it myself, real quick while I'm still watching the road easily. So that, because I don't like texting or driving while I'm driving, so. And then I have the radio installed. The problem is I have to wait for the rest of it to come because there is no sound for the speakers, and it really sucks. But I know what it is, and just have to wait till it comes to Walmart on Friday for pickup. So I was able to find a cheap $9 sorry, hold on. I was able to find a cheap like it was $11 with tax for a Mitsubishi harness, wiring harness for the radio. So finally I found that. It was at the other Walmart, luckily they had it, and it was cheap, and I was able to get it. So I was able to get everything installed, power running to it. With this specific radio, it's new for this car, and this is the 2000, so I had to take the ground black wire, put longer cord on it, longer wire on it, add to it, wire it up, and then take it through the dashboard underneath, and then take it through to the ground in the engine bay. So that was some work, but it's done. Everything works except you don't hear anything, so that sucks. And I just came out of the store, so I'm still wearing a bandana. I think it's stupid because it doesn't matter. Like, if they still cough on you, you're fucked. So excuse my language, but you're fucked. like you're gonna catch it or you're gonna be at risk. It doesn't matter if you got a mask or not on, you're still gonna get it, and it's very risky. So the masks really don't, you just need to stay the hell away from people you don't know and that don't take care of themselves. Like, you gotta stay away. Just be safe. I always keep my distance. My daughter stays at home, and it sucks. You know, people's kids should not be going out in this, because a lot of them, especially if they're young, their immune system is not correct yet, so it's very weak. And I'm just not taking any chances. My daughter's gonna be turning 2 months on tomorrow, so the 23rd. So I'm excited for that. I just don't want her to grow too fast. But yeah, exciting things. It just sucks that you know, there's so much lockdown, and work is work is extremely hard to do right now, and I'm doing the best I can. Bumpy road. I hate this fucking spot right here, but it works. So just doing some driving around, trying to turn this a little bit so you guys can see not just me, but everything else. Not going that fast, just go. I just accelerate enough to get it going, and then it's very windy, so it's hard for you guys to hear me, but mostly you'll hear wind. I mean, you'll hear the exhaust in real life. The exhaust is so loud, it's very nice. I'm sure you guys were able to hear that when I did that first to second gear pull, and then that was it. I just did first gear pull into second gear, and this car is extremely fast, and this exhaust made the car like twice as fast. It's amazing. I love it. This car is really good. I love it. And I have some stuff on a cart that you guys are really gonna like, and it will make this car really pop from the rear, and it'll look amazing. I have 3 different pieces that I want to put on the back of the car. I'm sure you guys can take a guess what it is. No, it's not a rear bumper. I don't know if I want to get a rear bumper, but I'm gonna keep it a surprise what I am getting, and eventually, and it's gonna be really nice, and you gotta love it, and this car will look amazing, and it's becoming more show worthy, that's for sure. I plan on painting the cover of the engine red, so it matches the exterior of the car. So that'll be nice. Every change of the season, I get my allergies always act up, so that's always fun. But yeah, good times. Buddy's house, so I'll do another POV again maybe tomorrow, so you you guys stay tuned, and please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll catch you guys next time. Stay safe.